Hello friends, as part of this video, we'll see how a normal tricycle can convert to electrical tricycle. That is by using bicycle electrical conversion kit. As we're going to discuss this in 3 to 4 parts, that is material required, controller details, and assembly and wiring connection. So materials required. We require tricycle and e-bicycle conversion kit. So the conversion kit details is explained in the bicycle video, and the controller details also explained in the bicycle video, so you can go and see that video. The link of that video is given in the description. So as part of this video, we'll see only tricycle assembly and wiring connections. Okay, so this is the tricycle converted using a bicycle kit that we use for the bicycle. Okay, so let's see how we can fit the same kit to the tricycle. Okay, so as you look, right, so bicycle will be different and tricycle will be different, and that kit will not properly fit for this. So we have to make proper uh, position, or we have to adjust the kit, like its plate properly, so that it can fit for tricycle. Means we need to get welded. Like example, we have to make 2, 3, 4 positions to fit the motor plate. Yeah, look at this. All these positions are made by welding supporting plates. Yeah, and then we have to fit that motor using the motor fit plate. Okay, so you can fit the motor either side, either left or right, but I'll fit it at left side. Yep. Okay, so and the motor wire need to properly tighten with the angle and take it to the controller box. Yeah, so this is the controller box. Yep, you can see this. Yeah, the controller box can be fit backside or wherever place is available, or middle. So here you can see it is fitted at middle, and the connections are same as bicycle kit, as because we are using the same bicycle kit for this. And ensure that all the connectors are tightened properly using a tapes or any other. Okay, ensure no connectors are loose, because as I already told that if loose connections are there, it will going to melt. Okay, so these are all connections. Look at this. Yeah, connect properly. Yep. And so you can see here the battery is 24-25 amp battery. It is higher capacity than compared to whatever I showed in the bicycle video. Yeah, and the box should be built in such a way that air circulation should happen properly. Okay, because the control get heat and should not be heat. Yep, this is the connection and motor fitment. Yep, this is throttle, ABS brake, and buttons for horn and headlight. All are fitted to one handle, as it is handicap cycle, and all are fitted to the same handle. Yep. So now we can go and turn on using ignition key. So once you turn on this ignition key, we'll see the display on. So it will show the battery level indication. and the headlight will show the controller is on. Yep. So you can see headlight on, off. This is about how to fit the bicycle kit to the tricycle. Yep. Thank you for watching, and please like and comment and share as much as possible. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching once again.